there are five levels of communication. For example, the first one is when you just talk to a friend and there is no kind of resources which you really would like to get from each other. The second one is when, for example, there is a director or CEO, yes, and there is employee, for example, means the formal communication. So just like CEO tells like employee what he needs to do, and that's it. The third one is more like business communications. So there is a possibility to find win-win decisions. Win-win, like both way can win, or to find the way how you can find the
compromise.
Compromise. Yes, that's it. Then
there's win-lose, and then there's lose-lose, right?
Right. Somebody lose or somebody win, but it's not good for a future if somebody win and somebody lose. So it's not like great business, because in a like long way, somebody will have like told something about bad about you. And the fourth is just if you have like tough communications, right? When one part would like to beat you and to take all the resources. And there is the
aggressive, like aggressive negotiation.
Yes, aggressive. Yes, aggressive. And the last one is the war. So when the people don't communicate at all, there is no communication. When one of the part would like to kill the second part, I mean,
right?
Yes. So the first thing is necessary to go from the war up to the aggressive communication. I mean, to start communication. What is what more important? And after aggressive communications, go to the business communication. So there is two levels. What I'm waiting, just the first one is just start to communicate. That's more important. Maybe usually there is start communication when there is something common between these sides, because maybe it could be one more, I don't know, one more COVID or something like that, it will unite like both sides.
Unite,
yeah, unite. So I think it could be like the way that can go ahead, maybe. So I'm not promise, just
okay. Well,
yeah,
you know, that's an interesting framework to think about these levels of communication.